Hello, everybody. Welcome to our course called Native Architecture. In this lesson 16, we will study to deploy the middleware because in last lesson we have created a Java project in IDE. In this lesson, we will deploy the redis in Docker and let the Java application use this redis image. So here, yes, we use this slide to show. Okay, we will download the image from the Docker Hub. Here, yes, this is the Docker Hub. We use this yellow. Okay. Yes, Docker. Yes, Docker Hub. We use the redis image. We use the Docker pool to download this image. Okay. Here, use the Docker pool. Yes, use the Docker pool here. We edit. Yes, the app3. It is a lightweight Linux Redis. This is a container, Redis container. So in the Redis, Redis container, there are two important file. One is the configuration. One is the configuration file, and the other is the data volume. So here, we use this path as to store the configuration and redis conf. Yes, here. Okay. The what back and the configuration. Okay. And the other we use, okay, this is configuration, and this is as the data volume. Yes, data. This directory backslash data as its the data volume. So we use the -v option to bind the file in Docker host to the file in the Redis container. Okay. Also we use this. We use the black color. Yes, we use this my data redis redis conf. Use backslash. Okay. Yes. Here and use this, and also use the default port is we use this port 6366 as its as its default port, and also we launch yes we launch our the same port in the Docker host, and use the -p as the okay. We use this. So we login to our instance here. Yes, we use the Docker image to show all the image in our local Docker host. We can here we have had the redis images, so we don't need to use Docpool to download this image again. We just use this so we first we need to create this two file. Okay, use this my data redis data. So first we create we create we create this two directory in our local host here. Make dir -p home my data redis. Okay, and we change our directory here. Yes, we have created our redis configuration. We are redis to show here. We use this. Okay. We just use the append only yes. Okay, and make the data. So we have these two directory in our Docker host path, and we use the band the -v option to band these files between the Docker host and the container. So we can use. So now we go to the Docker host here. Now we go to the Docker Hub to find the redis. We can find some quick reference and usage of the redis. So here, how to use this image? This is start a redis image. Use the Docker run, and this start with persistent storage. Yes, okay. Because we can hear if persistence is enabled, data is stored in the volume \data. So they will here the data will be stored in this path. Okay, we can use this to bind the -v option. Okay, you can specify something along with the similar with the Docker run. Here, we can use this. This will the Redis container is running, and can use this Redis server with this configuration in your container. Okay, so here we can use this command. Here we use this command, docker run -v with the local my data engine of redis conf, and this path is the docker container path etc redis 点 conf and hyphen this is the config redis 点 .conf mapping and also the data volume mapping. Okay, my data redis data colon data. Okay, as we mentioned before, this is the data volume in container backslash and in background, and its name equals myredis backslash and use port 6379. Okay, the same. This is port mapping and the redis latest. This is the image name latest, and here we can this command just run the Docker container to start a container instance, and okay can use its can use the redis is started by using the redis conf configuration redis server here. Yes, this is a file in the Docker. Okay, here we can use this command in terminal. Oh. Redis sorry. Oh, okay, here. Must be must don't forget this slash. Here, okay. We use docker ps to check. Here we can myredis container is running, and we can use the redis client tool to collect this. So this is this port. We have opened this port 6379 in our AWS security group. Here we must add this security. Yes, we must add these rules to allow the traffic through this port. This is the redis. So here we can use the Docker. This is the Redis desktop manager. It's a Redis client. We can use this client to collect our Redis server. Okay, here. Yes, we connect it here because I need it. Here we can, because this is the name and this is the address. It's our cloud instance public IP address here. Yes, this is the public IP. Okay, this here, and because we don't use the public, but we can also use the password in the configuration. Okay, test. Yes, the successful connection to the Redis server. Okay, so here we collect it. So this is a tutorial. This is a guide how we can launch a Redis container in the cloud and collect to this server using the Redis client. That's all. Thank you.